today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a moving average on MetaTrader 5. This is a very quick and simple process, but it's important to know so you can keep your charts clean and focus only on the indicators you actually need. Let's start from your MetaTrader 5 chart window. First, make sure you have the chart open where the moving average is currently displayed. You should see the price candles along with one or more lines that represent your moving averages. When you're ready, move your mouse anywhere over that chart area. Now, right-click anywhere on the chart. This doesn't need to be directly on the moving average line itself, just somewhere on the chart background is fine. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for the option called Indicators List. You can click that, or if you prefer using shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+I on your keyboard to open the same window. Both methods will take you to the list of indicators currently applied to that specific chart. After the Indicators List window opens, you'll see a list of all the indicators that are active on this chart. This might include moving averages, oscillators, or any other tools you've added. In this list, locate the moving average you want to remove. If you have more than one moving average, pay attention to their descriptions, such as the period, color, or type, so you can identify the correct one. Once you've found the moving average you want to get rid of, click on it to select it. With it highlighted, click the Delete button. As soon as you do this, MetaTrader 5 will remove that moving average from the chart. You should see the line disappear immediately, leaving your chart cleaner and easier to read. After deleting the indicator, you can click the Close button to exit the Indicators List window. Your changes are already applied, so there's nothing else you need to confirm. That's all there is to it. By using the Indicators List, you can quickly manage, remove, or adjust any indicators on your MetaTrader 5 charts. This helps you stay organized and ensures that your charts only show the information that supports your trading decisions.